Today, I want to share with you some of the biggest money mistakes that I've seen people make in their 30s and how to avoid them. I'm in my early 30s, and all I'll be sharing with you today is from my personal experience and knowledge that I've gathered to make financial success easier for me, and I hope that you find these useful. First up is buying a house before you can afford it. Society has sold us this amazing idea, this perfect home. You have a big porch, nice gardens, friendly neighbors, and the likes. Owning a house is a good plan if that's what you want, but if you're not financially ready for it, it can cause a lot of stress and problems, financial strain on both you and your family. Right now, home prices and interest rates have really skyrocketed. So here's my suggestion. Don't be in a haste to own a house or follow the trend so that you can show off to others that you're successful. A rule of thumb that I've learned is to ensure that your monthly mortgage payment is not more than 25% of what you earn after taxes on a 15-year fixed rate conventional mortgage. I know that's a lot, so let me break it down. Let's say you earn $50,000 per year after taxes, or about $4,200 per month, and you're interested in buying a house that costs around $200,000 US. To determine how much your monthly mortgage payment should be, you can use the 25% rule. Now, in this case, 25% of your monthly after-tax income is going to be about $1,050. So your monthly mortgage payment should not be more than $1,050 per month. So let's assume that you're considering a 15-year fixed rate mortgage with about an interest of 3.5%. So using the mortgage calculator, we can determine that your monthly mortgage payment would be about $1,430 US. Now, this payment is higher than the 25% rule, so it's not a good idea to take this mortgage right now. So it's either you look for slightly less expensive home or consider buying the house at a later time when you're in a better financial state. Mistake 2 is putting all of your money in a savings account instead of actually investing. So this is another big money mistake that I've learned, and I'm really still learning about, just not letting your money to sit in a low interest saving account. A lot of times you don't realize that money is meant to make more money. The simple truth is that inflation prices are always going high and high, so the value of the money you have in your savings account is not the same value in the next 5, in the next 10 years. This tells you that if you have about $10,000 in your savings account today, in the future, in the next couple of years, is going to buy you less than the value of what it can buy you today. So it's very smart to start thinking about investing, whether that's in form of real estate, bonds, stock, whatever you can do to combat the inflation. Always make your money make more money for you and start investing wisely. The key is to always diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and invest in only one thing. So if you're not sure where to start, I'll advise you to seek a financial advisor that can help you create a personalized investment plan just for you. Also take the time to educate yourself. This is something that I do. Educate yourself on investment, on stocks, and the smart investments that you should actually put your money into. One thing I need to say is don't be in a haste to make a huge return on this investment. If you have this mindset, it could be really risky. Do your due diligence before investing and give your investments time to grow. Thanks for watching up until this point. And if you're new here, my name is Esther, and on this channel, I share content on tech, freelance, and everything in between to help you build the life that you truly want. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. It'll mean a lot to me. Alright, moving on to the third money mistake: spending more than you actually earn. Spending a lot more than you earn is really common. It's a common mistake that can lead to a lot of financial strain and stress. It's really easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying things and using credit cards. But the truth about credit cards is that the money on the card is not actually free. The credit card company or the bank will eventually ask for their money. And if you don't have it, you'll really be in debt. My advice for you is to be mindful of your spending habits and set limits for yourself. Try not to spend more money than you earn and avoid impulse purchases. When you spend money, remember that you have less in your account, right? It's coming from your bank account and you won't have it anymore. One way I try to reduce my impulsive buy is to split my income into 4 parts. The first part is for investment, second part is for emergency savings, the third part is for family, and whatever is left is then left for spending. This way I'm able to strike a good balance between spending, investments, and savings. And one thing I need you to know is that I don't mean that you should be overly frugal and not spend when you need to. No, that's not the mindset. But what I'm talking about is excessive spending, spontaneous buys, and really just living above your means. Get clear on the income and the expenses that you have, and if you want, you can even go a step further to get an app. This will help you track your monthly expenses and really see where your money goes. That way you know exactly where to cut back and start saving and investing a whole lot more. Finally, the last money mistake that you do not want to make in your 30s is not investing in yourself. Whether that's in form of getting a degree, learning a new skill, reading a book, nourishing your health, both mental and physical, just getting more active, whatever shape or form it is, you are your own biggest investment. And over the last 2 to 3 years, personally, I've made a conscious effort to gain new skills, read new books, and sign up for courses. I realized that when I pour into myself, I become more wholesome and I'm able to give my presence at home. I'm able to give love. I'm able to support myself and my family and really excel in my career. And this way, when more and better opportunities come, I'm also able to take them head on because I have what it takes. So what you need to realize is the return on investing in yourself is very priceless, right? There's no money that can be pegged on it because it truly becomes a valuable asset to yourself, your family, those around you, and even the world at large. So please go ahead to invest in yourself and don't just invest in other things and assets. Pour into yourself as much as you can. So that's about it. Which of these financial mistakes really resonate with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and smash the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.